So even though they don't have a lot of cases for the LG V60, not as much as like say the Apple iPhone or your Samsung Galaxies, there are a few out there on Amazon that do look pretty good. And I finally decided to get one of those so I can show you guys. So today we're going to be looking at the, I think it's called Ryphez. They're like designer cases or Ryphez cases. These ones are carbon fiber, and they come in three colors. It comes in black, blue, and brown. So here it is right here. This is the packaging. Comes in a plastic Ziploc bag that you tear open. You can see here. Pause that and read it for yourself. That's the build. And you can get these on Amazon with Prime shipping for $7.99. Let's open it up. So nothing much, just the case and the plastic bag, and it feels like it's like a, what is this? It feels like it's a, not a soft TPU, but maybe like a semi-rigid polycarbonate um, type of material. And see, there's the carbon fiber design here on the back. It also has this. It also comes with this. It says autofocus. I don't know why it has that. And it's not too shiny or glossy, so you're not going to collect smudges or fingerprints. But it's has enough, sheen or color to it. And then right here on the inside is these like little diamond-like patterns. It says the ultimate experience LG V60. So let us check out the fit. So I got my V60 right here. I'm gonna snap it into the case. So I haven't been getting too many cases for the V60, only because I only have like two. Most of the times I'm using the dual screen case. Even when I go to the gym now, because I have this protection, I'll use the dual screen case. But every now and then I just want to go rock the single case to the gym. And this is the times where I want to use like these type of cases instead of the dual screen, especially. So it snaps into place pretty firmly, and there's a good amount of fit. It's pretty firm. As you can see, it's not too loose on the sides. And since we're here in the front, you can see there is extra lip. You can see there is extra lip protection in the front of the case on all sides, bottom, top. And then here in the back, you have extra lip for your camera lens right there. You have these edges right here, which will kind of keep the back from getting scratched up, although I don't think the back of this case will get scratched up too much. Let's check out the cutouts first. Starting with here on the side, you have that one cutout for the microphone. And is it flush? Doesn't look like it. Let's see. Yeah, it looks off. Looks a little bit off. And here The cutout for the top microphone is a little off-centered, but it's exposed. It's showing. So that's that. And then right here, man, all the microphone cutouts are a little off. Right there, it's off centered, but at least it's exposed. It's not blocking the microphone holes on any of them. Your 3.5 millimeter headphone jack is good. The USB-C port and your speakers are a little off-centered. I don't know how I feel about that. They're a little off on the maybe it's because of my skin that they're a little off. I mean, it could be. Maybe if I didn't have a skin. Let's check out the buttons. Starting here on the left-hand side, check out the Google button. Tell me a joke.
Why does a duck have tail feathers? To cover its butt quack.
Okay, that was lame that time. Anyways, so at least the microphones aren't affected, as you can see by when I'm using Google. Let's check out the volume buttons. Since my volume button is already turned down, let's go. So the volume buttons are nice and clicky. No issues there, as you can see or hear. And power button is nice and responsive. So no issues there. Now all we have to do is check the wireless charging. Okay, got my Samsung fast charger here. Let's see if it charges. And it does, as you can see. You can see right there. Charging is good to go. Fast wireless charging. And should we try landscape? Even with landscape, it's charging. And upside down. Does it do the upside down charge? No, it doesn't look like it. It probably won't for the V60, probably because this is a long phone. So upside down charging does not work. Only regular. And landscape. Not much to say. I mean, it's going to do its job, which is give your LG V60 a different look. And most importantly, it's going to give it some protection. As long as you have a screen protector in the front, you know, your protection is pretty much covered as far as for the V60 goes. It's not a thick case. It's pretty slim. As far as feel go, I forgot to mention that it's not as grippy as far as feel as my Ghost Tech or the Softer, and probably because of the material, this is not really probably TPU. It's more of a polycarbonate, so it's going to be a little bit of a slippery feel. There's a good texture here on this carbon fiber in the back, so, and it's not too glossy, so it's not going to add too much fingerprints or smudges. And one other thing we forgot to check the ports. So we're going to test out the USB-C port, and here with just my regular Samsung charger or cable, USB-C cable. So that is good to go. I wonder if it'll Let's test out the thicker USB-C cable right here, the fast charging cable, which is a little thicker cable. And that is still good to go. Okay, I got my thicker than usual headphone jack from Fostex, and let's see if it works. Yeah, this one does not snap into place. I don't think it's the fault of the case. It's mostly because Fostex, like I said, their cable has these notches here, as you can see, to keep it from going in. Let's try another one. This is my 3.5 to 3.5 connector for my portable amp DACs, and it's a little thicker than regular cables somewhat, and it has these things right here. So let's see if it works. And that one does work. You could tell it'll work because you'll get this pop up, see? Connected to external audio device. If I unplug it, it comes off. Plug it back in, and see, that goes back on hi-fi status. So all the ports, all the plugs are good to go. So that is our look at this Ryphez carbon fiber design case. Once again, you can get it on Amazon for $7.99 with Amazon Prime shipping. And it comes in 3 colors. This is the blue one. It also comes in black and brown. I might get the other colors too, maybe. Anyways, other than the microphone holes or cutouts being a little off-centered, but they're not being blocked, I highly recommend this case. And it's not as grippy or as the my other 2 cases, the Yo Softer and the Ghost Tech, and those are crystal clear cases or clear cases. So maybe that has something to do with it. This is more of a harder, like polycarbonate instead of like a TPU type feeling case. But it, it's still going to have good protection, and it's going to give your phone a different look from the normal look of the V60. So that is good. If you don't want to get a skin, or you can't find skins, or you don't like the skins that I put on, like these decals are not the most accurate skins, or accurate skins for the V60, then the recommendation is to get different design cases like this one. So that is it. If you guys are interested in this case, please use the links in my description, as it does help out my channel and my charity, the Wounded Warrior Project. If you guys haven't already, please like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at The Workout Geek for all my latest happenings and great workout tips. Till next time, everybody, take care, stay safe, stay healthy, and have a wonderful day.